All right, testing, testing, testing. Welcome, everyone. We're coming into the opening bell. I'm going to do my 15-second orb. So get ready, get ready. I'm going to do 10 micros. Morning, Steve. Life. Let's do the live here. Make sure it's all working. Okay. All right, so I start off my day each day doing the 15-second orb right when the market opens. I'm going to trade the opening range breakout. I do a prop firm, so I'm using Tradeify. Any news today? Good question. I'll look at that after I'm done with this. So here we go. We got their 15-second. We have our 9:30 candle right here. Now I'm just looking for a break of structure. There or here. Looks like we might break to the upside here. And if we do, we'd be looking to go long if it stays above it. So we got a 30-second here. Looks like we're breaking above. We are breaking above. Are we going to maintain it? No, we're still staying inside this zone here. It's pretty slower than usually what we're used to, guys. Usually we get a massive break of structure and at the very second candle. All right, right in here, are we getting a break of structure? And to me, that looks like one. So we're going to try to see if I can get a buy 10 right down there. That looks like a clear break of structure.
Order filled.
So I got in right there on that break of structure, clearly break of structure. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to put your stop loss down here. Okay? Just watch that. It's only 559.90. It's only 3 points you're risking here. Good morning, Furious Negotiator. Good to see you back. But any news today? Yeah, we got 9:45 news for final, and then we got the 10 o'clock ISM. We got PMI at 10. Yeah, we got PMI at 10. Yeah, ideally what I would like to see is at least 10 points on this. 59.91 all the way to 60.01. Something up here. If I don't get 10 points, to me, not as worth it. So we'll see if we get to that horizontal line. And then, of course, we have our stop loss. Pretty slow in the market right now. Usually the opening bell is a whole lot faster than that. Pretty slow. Alrighty. It's coming up here, coming up. And I'm gonna do the martingale, guys, on the 15-second orb. If it works, if it fails, then I just up my contracts by some. Okay, so let's look into my other things that I'm doing. UNH is just freaking exploding up. Good job, whoever got UNH. Big cap spot. Alright, so we got CrowdStrike had earnings, that's down. Palantir is going down. Oh, the mole Palantir. Let me check my Webull real quick. Tesla's going down. I gotta get my setup for my stocks here.
Like an animal. Can you tell what animal I'm acting like?
Alright, let's get my setup real quick. We got a lot of stuff going on in the markets. Palantir's going down. We gotta wait for TD. Tesla's coming up. We'll see what Palantir does here. 15-minute, 5-minute. Looks like Palantir might be the trade of the day for me. CrowdStrike's coming down. All right. Gotta be fast. Gotta be fast. Oh, shoot. All right. It's still coming up. It's coming up a little bit here. We don't have the TD yet. News. Just kind of see what's going on here. Yo, let's go up $200. Let's see if that keeps going up. All right, so we're gonna trade. We're gonna get on our active trader. Looks to me like PLTR is the trade of the day right now. We're coming up into, see how much these is gonna cost. $6,500 for just that. Let's do like 10. See how much that costs. 1,300. We'll do increments of 10 then for now. Actually, let's do 15. It's gonna cost about $2,000 there. All right, so what I'm looking for is about 10 points here. See if we can get up to here. I'm gonna sell 5. Sell 5 right here. Sell 5 right there. And then I'll ride the rest, break even if it decides to go up. Looks like I missed Palantir for a little bit. Let's look at Bull. Oh shoot, Bull's going down again. Typical, right? Literally does this freaking ritual every time. It does this ritual all the time. It's actually nuts. I might get some Bull just because it always has been coming back every time it's done it. Bull is going to cost me about 158, so we can get a lot of Bull here. Yeah, it does this ritual all the time. It's like clockwork. It's insane how many times it's been doing this ritual. All right, let me move my cameras.
Told me something about you. They said that you are really nice.
All right, so Bull is in a 15-minute, ATR 4, 30-minute. Everything is in there. Basically, what you want to do is see if you can catch that buy when it comes down. I don't know if it's going to come down and get us here, but if it does, you see I have the buys down here. We'll see if it catches it. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How's everyone's day doing? So, right now, I'm just kind of looking for 59.91 to, you know, kind of a 10-point grab here. You know, 61.0169. If I can get 10 points out of the 15-second orb, it's kind of slow right now.
8 long arms. Or tentacles.
And let's look for Palantir, kind of doing its thing. It's hitting that EMA 10, coming back down.
Before, but yeah, there's black olive and green olive.
Apple's coming up.
Starts with the letter O.
What happened to Dollar Tree? What's going on, Dollar Tree? Was it earnings or something? What is this company? We're gonna watch Palantir and Webull for a bit. I like Palantir here a bit. Yeah, if it comes down to that lower end there, it might be a good buy. Okay, so it doesn't look like Webull is going to give us
Really nice hanging out with positive people.
that thing.
Positive and people.
Let's see. Weebull's kind of just stabilizing. Oh, here we go. That might give us it now. Instant buy. You never know with Webull. I'm telling. I've seen Webull go like down with 1 minute candles so fast, and then it comes back up. We got Palantir going back down. Webull. I mean, it's got the triggers, but it's just not giving it to us just yet. MES just doing nothing really at the moment. We're waiting for that first point trigger here. What I could do is, I don't know. Yeah, it's not doing anything yet. POTR. We probably have better success with POTR here. I wonder what the calls are like here. Here, you can't be on top of me. Not when I'm trading. Alright, we are almost into this area here. I'm going to take out 5 right here. Let's see. Let's take out 5 at this mark here, and I'm going to put the rest break even. So 5 right there.
Recap starts with the letter
Pee-pee.
Yeah, the next letter.
Pee-pee.
Here, it says stop. It says stop. Alright, let's flatten all those. Let's go to PLTR. Here, I can't focus, man. You gotta stop, okay? I can't focus. You gotta be on your own thing just for a bit. I'll just leave that there for now. Alright, PLTR and Bull are the ones that I'm watching here. Holy moly. Let's see how much it's gonna cost for 100. It's not hit auto send. That's gonna cost us 12 grand. Let's do 25 here. There we go. Yeah, let's do 25. So we're gonna put some orders down here on Palantir due to the fact that, I mean, you're getting it close to a 5-minute, a 15-minute. Yeah, it's probably gonna come up here, guys. So let's see if we can get some orders down here. Buy those 2 orders down there. Check out McDonald's. What's McDonald's doing? MCD. Okay. A little slower volume, but yeah, it's coming down there. Dollar Tree's coming down. CrowdStrike, not so much. FLS is coming into an area of interest. Palantir is definitely an interest, but I need that move down. 129.56. Let's buy some more there. I don't know if it's going to get there, though. Gap is coming down pretty heavily, too. We can trade Gap. Check out Gap there. Gap has been coming up repeatedly for us. It's been a nice win. All right, so how many points are we up on this? 59.91 to 59.98. I'm going to take out 5 here. So 5 there, and I'm going to read the rest, break even. All right, we got one of the orders filled there. So we're going to take out 5 there. Let's do it like right here. And then I'm going to leave the rest right here. All right, we're getting filled more right here. 25 there. We're going to see how this works. And let's buy some more right there. All right, I'm doing a couple things right here. We got futures plays going on. Up $300 on the futures. And we're going to do some stocks here. Man, it's just barely missing my orders. Are you freaking kidding me on that? I do want to lock in some profit on my futures too at the same time. Golly! You didn't want to lock me any profit right there? Get out of here. Alright, so the goal is to at least get 10 points. We'll see if it gives us it. I'm going to move my stop to break even here. Right up in here. Let's do 10 contracts. So I don't lose. Right up in here. Sell 10 stop. Now just write it up. I wanted to take 5 contracts out. I didn't get to take it out. I barely missed my order, so I'm going to put a break even now. I'm going to watch this. Honestly, though, I feel like if you don't get more than 10 points on the 15-second orb, it's not worth it. So you really need to get more than 10 points. Alright, we're coming up here on Palantir. Let's see. The next one I really want to trade is Gap, though. Dollar Tree. Tesla's coming down. I'm going to alert this and Tesla calls. I'm going to get some Tesla calls, guys. 5-minute touch, 15-minute touch, 1-minute touch. It's all there. But I'm going to focus right now on Palantir for the brief minute. Did it stop me out yet? Oh, no stop yet. Alright, right up in there. Let's see if we can get what we can get here. I'm going to take that out for 64 bucks. Take that out for 64 bucks and re-add on the low. I'm seeing that Gap is another potential. Tesla is booming. In the Tesla calls. In the Tesla. Gotta be quick, guys. Good Palantir. Massive Palantir move up right there. Look at that 1-minute candle. Caught that move. Gap is coming up. Tesla is my main concern right now. If it pulls back, we're getting in heavy on Tesla, guys. Tesla's my main concern. Let's go ES! Let's go MES! Tide Codes 19, thanks for the follow. Alright, let's push up into 10 points and we'll take 5 contracts out and then we're gonna get we're gonna ride this puppy up. We're gonna ride the puppy up. Hope you guys caught Tesla there. Palantir was beautiful move. Wow. That is the 5-minute and 1-minute touch combined on Palantir right there. We had a 5-minute and a 1-minute with time distance. Just say, Pierre, let's go Palantir. That was beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to look to... I wanted Gap right away, but Gap moved. Looks like they all kind of moved. KVUE, this is a nice company, personal households. If we get a 1-minute touch, I'm in. Tesla's my main concern. Tesla all the way right now. 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, okay? We're coming into all the big touches. Obviously, Palantir is a play till we get EMA 20. If we don't get a touch on EMA 20... We gotta at least get 10 points here. On a 15-second orb, you gotta at least get 10.
Good job. That was so much fun learning all the letters with you.
Alright, guys, if you guys aren't part of the Discord, join the Discord. We alert these every day. The next thing I'm waiting for is SPX 30-minute orb for credit spreads, okay? That's the next thing I'm waiting for. Come on. Palantir's still going up. Ah! I was hoping Palantir would probably drop a bit for me. Gap hit the EMA 20 on the 1 minute. Tesla's just kind of consolidating on the EMA 5.
Point B and put out a fire. How it go? Yeah. And that is why it's another form of transportation.
I'm still in the I'm trying to get some 5 points off, so I'm still in MES. I'm in 10 micros. Let me take off 2 right here. Let me take off 2.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in 8 contracts, 8 micros. I'm gonna put. I took some gain. Want to go 8 micros here. That way, if it does go back to my average, at least I made some money, right? At least I made some money. 8 micros, 8, sell 8. So if it goes back to my break even, I'm done. But it's not really doing anything. I'm waiting for price to do something. Come on, give us some. Come on, Tesla. Come on, baby. Give it to us. Give it to us. All right, so Tesla's the main focus here, guys. I'm getting excited on this Tesla play. It's the only one that's happening with a 5 minute and a 1 minute. Palantir gave us a beautiful 5 and 1 minute. Gap gave us a beautiful 5 and 1 minute. SMR. But it's all eyes on Tesla. It's all eyes on Tesla right now. Tesla's the most volatile at the moment. Hasn't touched the EMA 20. So let's see what we can do with Tesla, guys. Alright. I'm going to start with 5, and I'm going to scale in like the crap on this one. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Yeah, I'm going in on Tesla here. I like the 5 minute. 15 minute, 1 minute. Alright.
Stop filled.
Oh, what just happened? Oh, it hit my, Alright, we made $59 on my micros. It hit my, stop loss. Maybe I should take more than just 2 contracts out. Maybe I should have took 5 out on my MES. But it is what it is. Yeah, I probably should have took 5 out. I took 2 out. It wasn't enough. So I made 50. Me personally though, if you're doing the 5 minute, the 15-second orb, it's either big moves or not, you know? Big moves or not. You know, you either collect a big move or you don't. I got from there to there, I got 91. What did I get? 7 points there? Whatever. But yeah, once I start hitting 5 points, I'm going to start putting it break even. Let's go, Tesla! You know what's probably disgusting is going right back up. It hit my stop at break even, and it's going right back up. That's disgusting. Oh well. Can't win them all, right? Palantir is coming back down. Oh shoot, I want Palantir again. Oh shoot. Let's see what Palantir is doing. Should I focus on two at the same time is the question. Let's just focus on Tesla. So we have Palantir making a nice move. This is going to be a nice play if you guys want Palantir, but I'm in Tesla at the moment, so I got the 5, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 minute. They're all coinciding. I'm just going to keep scalping Tesla and Palantir today. These are both my plays I'm going to scalp. Honestly, for the faster gains, I'm liking Palantir better. Yeah, I'm liking Palantir way better. Let's see, is Palantir still down there? I think I'd rather take Palantir. Yeah, it is still down there. I might want to break even on this and play Palantir. Yeah. I'm thinking about it. It's not moving up yet. It's still... Ah, there it is. It moved up a little. What do you guys think? Yeah, Palantir's already moving, though. I think I missed it. I might have missed Palantir, guys. We'll see. Tesla is coming into the EMA 5. I'll see if it kind of pulls up a little more, maybe hit that 10. Definitely a thing it can easily do. Pull up a little more there, let's hit that 10. Ideally, I want Palantir. Palantir's already going up, though. See if there's anything else I can watch. Alright, no EMA 10. That sucks. I didn't really have a full buy on Tesla anyways. I'm not really fully done with Tesla. If Palantir was going down, I would exit my position, just play Palantir there. That sucks. I wanted Palantir, but we'll see. Oh, there is a red folder at 10. That's true. We do have a red folder at 10. It's either going to go up big or down. Maybe I should take off some of my orders here. Yeah, next time on my other things, I'm going to take more micros off. I should have took more micros off. I was up quite a bit. I'm going to start taking off like 10 of my 5 instead of 2. Palantir is coming up quite a bit. Congrats who got Palantir. Tesla's just doing its own thing. Not really doing anything right now. I'm wondering if I should take it off and wait for the news now at 10. News is coming in like 2 minutes. That's mainly going to be with the indexes, though. We're due for that 20. We haven't touched it since 9:30. It's, you know, it's almost 10 o'clock, so we're due for a nice little touch there. It's just boring. Tesla's not doing anything. It's so boring right now. Very boring. But I don't know. I don't see any other plays I can trade. You guys see any other plays? Palantir to the moon. Maybe OKLO? That's the only one I'm seeing. OKLO. What is that? Electric utilities? Yeah, OKLO is looking pretty good, actually. We'll see for OKLO if it touches that. 1 minute. I'll just wait for the news at this point. I don't got too big size. Only got 20 shares of it. I have no doubt it's probably going to hit the EMA 20 there on Tesla. You naughty Tesla. I'm just going to see what this kind of... See if we get some volatility at 10. Let's not put so many orders here. So 2 of those orders there. Alright, so we did end up going down some there. Yeah, I should have took it out, I guess. I was hoping that news would have been good. Alright, I'll probably just take it out near break. Take minor gain. We do have a big 5-minute, a big 15-minute. So I have no doubt Tesla's going to go up. It's just, Tesla's always the harder one, I feel like. What did Palantir do? I wish I would have got that dip. Yeah, Palantir went down too. Yeah, I wish I would have got that dip. Sold, and then got in low. That would have been nice. Yeah, that was the news there. Alright. So we're getting a nice size, though, on Tesla now. Make some decent money if this decides to go up. Yeah, I think Tesla is insane. It's just like the thing does its own thing. I don't know what to say about Tesla. This thing is like probably one of the most annoying stocks I ever seen. Tesla is just absolutely insane. But yeah, I agree. Tesla is just like, ugh. Gag sometimes. But trust me, I get it. It's gag. It does its own thing. At least Palantir was a lot easier. Cleveland Clay just subscribed. Wow. Yeah, we're looking for credit spreads, not till 10:30ish. Yeah, we won't get any credit spreads till later. OKLO is my main concern right now. We're coming into a lower, literally upper to lower here. I would like to get out of Tesla and get into OKLO very soon. If this keeps coming down, I mean, look at this. This is looking good. I missed that one. Yeah, Tesla's just doing its own thing. And cancel that order and put it down farther. I'm just doing 5 there. Right this way there. OKLO. We'll see if it gets a touch there. The only touch I'm seeing right now is Tesla. But Tesla is more... Tesla's just a harder stock. Good grief. All right, so Tesla's down 3% on the day. They'll probably take that next lower touch, unfortunately. Palantir dropping again. What's Palantir doing? See, I've had better success with Palantir because it's the moves were drastically up. You see how it's going up quite a lot, whereas Tesla, it's been consolidating. But yeah, I'd much rather get into that Palantir than Tesla at the moment. We got a beautiful 5-minute, 15-minute, way under. I might see if I could get into some of that. I'd like to focus one at a time. If Palantir goes down, Tesla, or if Tesla's gonna, kind of follow it. Yes, I won yesterday's credit spread. Yes. Yeah, I've been in worse. Yesterday was worse though for me on Tesla. We'll see if this pans out. EMA 20 and 50, we're gonna go up. The 5 minutes, we're gonna go up. It's just a very stubborn stock. We're definitely gonna get a pump. Palantir comes down to that area, I would love it. Alright, I'm going to go heavier size on Tesla now. Now that we're getting to extreme levels here, I'm going to go heavier size. Let's see what this does here. We're getting to that lower Keltner channel touch, big time. Did a market order there. This is the time it needs to come up. This is the time it needs to come up. I mean, I don't see this happen a lot. A 30-minute, a 1 hour, 15-minute. I think Tesla for options, probably shouldn't do it on options, though. I did futures this morning. My one mistake was not taking out more contracts. I did a 15-second orb. I'm up 59 bucks. I should have took out 5 instead of 2. That would have gave me at least over 100 bucks. I only took out 2. I was looking for a home run hit, and that was my fault. Yeah, that was my fault. Holy crap, what is Tesla doing? Jeez. I'm going to buy 2 more there. It's going to pump from here, I think. Market's kind of coming down there. Yeah, it's definitely going to come up from that area. Now, at the point now, I'm just like, just break even at this point, right? Because I totally messed this trade up, 333. Totally messed it up. I'm not sure why. So why is Tesla going down this much? Any kind of news? Yeah, big European markets. Yeah, a lot of negative news on Tesla. Man, I haven't seen that in a while. A move like that. Look at the 5-minute on Tesla. The 15-minute, the 1 minute. This might be my no-go. I might not trade Tesla anymore. I've been having more trouble with Tesla than anything. Let's see what Bull's doing. Man, everything is just like disgusting. But at least Bull's not touching a 1 minute. Yeah, the market's getting yanked. Market getting yanked for sure. I should have took I should have reset my Tesla. I kept saying I got greedy. I kept saying I was gonna reset it and go into Palantir. Palantir would obviously been a better position. I like Palantir a lot more. It's been making nice consistent moves.
Looks like we found another clue. Pretty interesting. Let's see what it reads.
Equity 3,900. Man, I can't believe Tesla's still going down. I'm gonna do a couple more orders and I'm it. Good thing I started small on it. I don't understand that movement. I haven't seen that in a long time. A little too volatile, I guess.
I'm not seeing any pink birds.
Yeah, SPY dropped. Yeah, I'm just kind of disappointed I didn't take off 5 micros. Next time that I'm doing that. I'm taking off 5 and I'm holding 5 break even. That's what I'm gonna do.
Let's see here. Huh. Do you see that pink bird? Hello, it's me, Blippi. How are you doing today? Will you act like a bird with me?
Alright, there goes Tesla for a bit. PLTR. Still no 1 minute. To me, the Palantir is more controlled. That's why I like Palantir. It's a little more controlled than Tesla. Tesla's a little more erratic.
Oh, a gold chain. Oh, and another clue. Let's read what it says.
Yeah, I could be trading OKLO right now. This is a trade to be in. Man, I wish I was in OKLO. 15 minute, 5 minute, it's all coinciding. I love the trades that go upper Keltner to lower Keltner. These are the best trades when you get them. Could be trading that right now. I'm in garbage Tesla right now. Yeah, I'm in freaking garbage Tesla. What happened to SMR? SMR had a 5 minute. Yeah, Palantir's going to go up here. So they're all due for the 20 and 50. No doubt about it. They're due for the 20 and 50. I just got a little greedy on Tesla. I shouldn't have. 330, 311. So, yeah, if we go back up to that 333-ish, I'll probably get out. Tesla's just just a wild ride. Like, if you have the patience, like, you can, like, make insane money on it, but it's just a wild ride on it. Appreciate all the subscribers, guys. If you guys do subscribe, you guys get free ads on Twitch. You can subscribe on Amazon Prime for free, too. Sorry, I just seen the YouTube chat. Abraham Yema, good morning. Good morning, Jaw. Jason, Amen, LG. Haven't really been doing much pennies that I liked. There's a couple that are on my radar, but they already moved. I'm very picky on pennies if I do them. What about TTD? TTD. Oh, you're still holding that? Yeah, I got out of that one when it went all the way up to here. I had some cover calls, so I was forced to get out of it. But yeah, TTD, I think is a really good company. It's in an uptrend on the long term. I mean, long term, it's good. It's just how patient do you want to be with it? Yeah, look at OKLO go. I'm so pissed I didn't get it. That makes me so mad that I'm in Tesla and this one is a much better one. So pissed about that. SMR is going. All these ones are going. Freaking crap Tesla's just... Man, why did I choose Tesla? I should have stuck with Palantir. Palantir seems to move a lot better. We'll see if we get out of this slump of this 15-minute. We're in this big slump. I have no doubt about this can change the trend, come above the EMA 50 and make a 1 minute uptrend. So we'll see.
Now we added another one, so that's 3 beads, and we need a 4th one. How about this one? A 4th bead, and this is a red bead. So now we have 4
Yeah, I need to see what premium we're gonna get here too. Tesla's making a newer low. Frick that stock. Yeah, I'm watching this SPX here. We're gonna get a 30-minute orb or not right here.
Small beads. Okay, that'll be pretty easy. Let's pick 10 small beads. Ready?
All right, if we do get that, I'm gonna look at the premium here for bull puts, or bear calls. My bad. So if I get a strike at 59.91, what am I getting right now? If I do a high premium grab, 59. This is 5 with. Looking at 59.90, 59. Yeah, look at that. Look how much premium you can get. Holy crap. You can get $2 of premium at the 59.85, 59.90? Oh, it's right here, 59.85. Let's see if I can get 59.90, 59.90. Yeah. So this is ideally the strike I would look to get, is the 59.90, 59.95 for high premium. If this closes below. We'll see. 59.90, 59.95. That's right where this strike is. It's not closing below though. So, but ideally, yeah, for the high premium grab, you can at least get 1.5 on that. We'll see. But yeah, I'm sticking to just one contract there, and then I'm gonna do my 25-cent premium. Yeah. So Tesla's just kind of in the dirt for a bit till it comes out of the dirt. I'm not, man, I haven't seen something like that in a long time on Tesla. Unfortunately, I haven't seen that in a while. That's crazy. I wish I would have stuck with OKLO. I wish I would have got into that. This one moved up 3% from the lows. Man, so many better plays, but Tesla's the one I chose. Palantir was a much better play. Every time it touched the 1 minute, it bounced. Beautiful bounce rate up in here. FLS, you know, Tesla might surprise us and does a V shape. We'll see. They got the that big meeting right at the end of this month or something. Yeah, we'll see. Man, so many plays though. I called Palantir. Palantir was a beauty play though. I mean, look at the scalps you can do on Palantir. Nvidia. Yeah, I mean, I wish I would have played Nvidia. Look at that beautiful move. Coming into that lower touch, massive move up. Yeah, I mean, there was so many good plays today. The only garbage play is Tesla. There's so many freaking good plays today, and I'm in freaking Tesla. Golly. My luck. Ah, man.
Wait a second. Do you remember when we were at the park and we used the metal detector to find the key? We have it right here. Use the key to open your treasure chest. Here we go. Look, the final treasure. Now for the best part, big bats moves into a magical necklace. Ooh, a magical necklace? That sounds like so much fun. Let's go. Remember this So exciting. First thing we do is grab your treasure and put it on the center.
Man, CrowdStrike's coming up big time.
Yeah, remember all of this that we got earlier? Okay.
Yeah, the best plays, in my opinion, are the ones that go from upper band to lower band, like OKLO. That was a freaking insane move. MSTR is coming down. GM, Upstart. We got a lot of plays, but
Take the two big red beads.
not really anything I see.
The two big
That OKLO was pretty beast, though. I mean, this right there was perfect. That 5 and 1 minute was perfect. Upper Keltner to lower for a bounce.
two
Absolutely perfect.
beads. The two turquoise greenish blue beads.
CrowdStrike. Well, CrowdStrike was not quite there. It was getting close. It was just not quite there for the settings. You see how you were just right on the EMAs? We needed more overextension or downside.
Now, what we need to do is add a solid gold chain. Yeah, remember
But yeah, I think for Tesla, I don't know. That thing's a hit or miss. It's more of a miss for me. SOC, I played this one yesterday. This one was a beast of a trade. Yeah, look at this. Monster move up right in here. 3% in literally 5 minutes. This one's a really good trade. It's got the volatility, fast. Look for the 1 minute TD. I like this trade a lot. SOC. You make some massive money on it. Looks like Palantir is going up, so Tesla's going to follow. I just like Palantir more. I'll be honest. Palantir is just a way better stock than Tesla. It moves a whole lot better. So, we'll see. I need to look at my credit spreads. I don't want to miss that. They went right back up into orb. That's crazy. Right back up into orb. But yeah, if we get this V shape, we probably will because Tesla is extremely oversold. Not often do you get a 15, 30, a 1 hour like that without some kind of push up. I'm hoping we get that 50 and we kind of stay above it. What do you want? Yeah, it's just Tesla's just doing Tesla things, you know? Tesla just doing Tesla things. What do you want with this? Oh man, SOC though. If I would like to get into SOC, if we get that 5 and 1 minute touch, that's the play I would like to get in. If, you know, when I get out of Tesla. What do you want with this? I don't know what you want.
this place is all about robots. And I sure love robots. Here's one right here. Wind it up and let it go. Oh, silly robot. Let's check out what else is in here. Whoa, look at all these. Oh, here's a robot. It's like a brush. I wonder what this one does. I don't know, but it's blue and gray. Wow.
Dollar Tree's coming back down.
This one looks like a
This will be a nice little 5 minute Dollar Tree. What's kind of crazy is Dollar Tree's down, but Dollar General pumped up on earnings. And then Dollar Tree did not pump on earnings. You would think like they kind of would do the same thing. Yeah, SOC is an oil and gas. I love this company. This thing has amazing volatility. Dang, I hate that CrowdStrike. Palantir's going down, and Tesla's going to go down.
These are all trophies. Check it out.
That's weird. Palantir's down, but Tesla's going up on the 1 minute? Interesting.
You then completed this challenge.
Dang, I would love to get a 1 minute touch on Palantir, though.
Good job, team. Ooh, some more cool things back here. Look at this area. This area has a bunch of robots and a bunch of really cool objects. Check them out. Whoa! What color are they? Whoa! This one is the color blue, and this one is the color orange. My two favorite colors. All right. Create some robots. Here we go.
I haven't even learned. I haven't even seen much talk about PayPal. And it's just slowly going up though. It's just a boring stock. You know, PayPal's been just on a roll though. Yeah, it's good. I like the long-term growth of PayPal. Just not the greatest stock to what I'm doing is the day trade. Man, OKLO, nice move. You know, I'm curious. Here goes SOC here. You see how fast these moves are where you can make insane returns? Literally 2% in literally a matter of minutes. It's kind of insane the results you can get on that. I traded Coca-Cola yesterday. That was a slow mover, but I mean, look at it now. It's over here at the 71 now. We got that in the low 70s. All right, Tesla's trying to come back up. Like I said, Tesla is just a very unpredictable stock. I'm kind of just not liking this stock, Tesla. It's just so freaking unpredictable, man. I'm telling you. These past 2 days has been pretty hard to trade Tesla. I have not seen this happen much with the bigger cap stocks like Nvidia and all that. Apple. Obviously, Tesla's more driven by news. Big time, more driven by news. So, it's not your typical.
Will you show us what it does? Sure. Thank you, Sammy, for showing us.
All right, Tesla's kind of coming up here. Like I said, though, since I messed up on this trade, any break even is good for me on that. If you totally mess up on a trade, don't ever look for big gains. That's my goal in trading. That's my goal in trading. I think it wants to hit that EMA 50, though. It's trying. EMA 50, we'll see if he wants it. Alright, what do we have here? 332. Come on. Come up there, Tesla.
This looks like we can probably open it up, close it on something, and pick something up.
And pick something up.
Whoa, look down here.
Yeah, Tesla's been like the stock that's just been hard. It's hard. It's a hard stock. Alright, let's see if I can find another stock I want to trade, though, while I'm waiting on Tesla. Screeners. Dollar Tree, AKL, GTLS, SOC. I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything right now. Dollar General, maybe. Dollar General, maybe. Not like a really good company to scalp. Moderna, knee. Yeah, not really much going on, must I say. SOC is one of my most favorite companies to trade, though. CrowdStrike, what a freaking beast. Yeah, we missed out on Crowd, my bad. Palantir is just going up there. Congrats if you got the 5-minute lows there. Palantir was a beast. Palantir I have no issues with. It's just that freaking Tesla. Tesla is the issues I have. Other than that, I'm not seeing anything. Maybe we can get an MSTR play. And then it's looking like Dollar General, maybe. But not like a big fan to trade Dollar General. Why is he mad at you? Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, I'm thinking that EMA 10 on the 5-minute we touch, and then maybe we pull back after that touch. EMA 10 on the 5. That's what I'm thinking. But I don't mind taking a small loss on Tesla after a big drawdown. Come on, Tesla. 332. I think if we could break that 333 mark. It's trying to get to that EMA 5, EMA 10. Mullen is running? What's Mullen doing? Mullen's a joke. Come on, move above that 333. Good grief. He does not want to get above 333. I don't have patience for Tesla. Ah, my gosh. Cannot get a Tesla move on that. I did not want to break 333. I should have just took the minor loss on it. Alright, what else do I'm playing? Yeah, I should have did the break even. Frick. 333. Man, look at SOC go. Frick. I could be playing so many other stocks here. Hopefully this is just a pullback into a move up on Palantir or Tesla. Could be. Good job. Check it out. Flippy robot. This one is a flippy crab robot. Woohoo! Good job. Good job, Flippy. Oh, baby. You finished it. Yeah, that was so much fun. Amazing. So now it's time for battling. Are you ready? Battling? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this. All right. Let's move this for us. That's our arena today. Okay. I have a robot. Okay. We're gonna turn on. Here is the switch. All right. We're gonna
Switch out. Look, our robots are ready. We're gonna put on each side of our platform.
Okay, last one to stay on the platform wins. Ready?
Yeah. So Mon's up over 80%. That company's a joke. The company's such a joke. I don't even know how it's listed when it's done so many reverse splits. Honestly, I'm not too mad. There's nothing really I'm seeing right now in the market. I mean, other than OKLO, maybe if we can get a touch there. But I'm not seeing anything. Palantir's going up, but Tesla not so much. Yeah, Palantir's going up quite a bit. Tesla's just kind of stabilized. I mean, we dropped from
Continue to explore rolling robots.
355 and we lost like 20 bucks instantly there. What does the daily look like? We hit that EMA 20. There's a good area. This is a good area where Tesla could honestly bounce big on that 20, in my opinion.
Accept this challenge.
It's a good chance Tesla could make a massive move up right there.
Sammy? Alright, what are we doing here? We're gonna try to knock
Hims is coming down. These are one of my best plays. Upper channel to lower channel, so watch Hims.
Okay, 3.
Hims is a really good idea if it can get going. I would love to play some Hims. Yeah, if we can get some Hims set up, I would love it. But other than that, there's not much going on in the market that I like.
Thank you for having
Yeah, not really much going on. I would like to see Tesla break that 333 with the hype they have going on. I think it could do that. GTLS, never even seen this company, but nice, beautiful move to the upside. GTLS is a machinery and tools. CrowdStrike had bad earnings and it's going up. I mean, look at Palantir go. All the way up to the EMA 20 almost. Palantir is just like the beast. Man, I wish I would have played more Palantir today. I should have stuck with just Palantir. It's just a beast of a stock. SOC's running. Beautiful run here from the 22s. That's a 3% gain. Tesla will probably hit that 20. Maybe later on throughout the day. I mean, seeing a massive spike down like that, you would think, you know, some buyers would be coming in there. Not a good option play because of the time decay. That's the problem with Tesla. Not a good option play. How do you about him big acquisitions? But well, you know me. I don't know if you know if you're new to the channel here. I'm just looking to day trade a lot of these. I gotta look at SPX. I don't think we have the 30-minute. No, we don't. I day trade a lot of these stocks, so I have a different variety of strategies. If I'm going to swing trade Hims, I'm going to be looking at the daily chart, and I'm going to be looking like, okay, we see strong support at the EMA 20. This is a great demand zone, but we've hit it so many times that we could fall down to the EMA 50. Just keep that in mind. Hims is a really great company. It's in an uptrend. The weekly's in an uptrend. The monthly, everything about it's good. It's just a matter of, you know, you can accumulate here, which is definitely the buy zone, or you could wait for the 50. But here's the thing: the 50 goes up on each day, so this 50 might end up way up in here where you originally would want to buy it. But just from here to here, I mean, Hims from here we pumped up 30% literally in 2 days. I mean, it's a monster growth we've had on Hims. Damon, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Much love, much love. Yeah, I took, so on the 15-minute, here's the 15-second orb here. I'll show you what I've did. We broke structure here. You know, that was we broke structure there. Whoops. Come on. So we broke structure here, and I got in right on this candle at 9:31, and because we broke structure and made some nice points. Not gonna lie, we went from 990 all the way to 998. I was looking to get about 10 points till I start scaling out more and more. I only took two contracts out because I was really hoping I can just keep letting this run. But I put my stop loss break even, so I only made $50 on, because I only took profit on 2 micros. Should I have taken more out? I don't know. I was thinking like I probably should have took like 5 micros out. I probably should have did that, you know. So yeah, probably my little mistake. The 15-second orb, yeah, the 15-second orb worked today. If you're above 5 minutes, if you're above 5 micros, you should never take a loss now. You should put your stuff break even. So when I was looking at this, when it was way up in here, I put my thing break even, and it hit me, I think, right in here. Yeah, it hit me there, hit me. I mean, it definitely would have hit me on this. So yeah, I'll just put it break even, took 2 contracts out up in here. I had 10 micros, and that's it. This works best on micros. The 30-minute... The problem with any other orb is your stop loss is bigger. Like, think about it. I mean, you're risking from here to here, 59.90. You're risking 3 points to make... I mean, you literally doubled your R&R. It almost got to 10 R&R. Or, I mean, not 3 R&R here. It got to 10 points. You're risking 3. That's how I look at it. Toast, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Much love. Welcome to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy your stay. If you guys want to subscribe on Twitch, it's free if you have an Amazon Prime account. Would love to have you all in there. Get free ads, too. Or no ads. Just watching some companies right now. Palantir's... Man, I freaking wish I had Palantir. SOC's coming into the EMA 20. Tesla's just freaking not doing anything. I wish... Man, I almost took it all. Almost. I wish I would have had it out at break even there. And then I would have bought this dip down here. Hindsight trading to a T, but golly. I would love to get into some Gap. General Motors, Dollar General. There's a lot of plays setting up here. Kind of boring right now, though. Pretty boring right now. But yeah, I like the 15-second orb the most. It's by far one of my most favorite strats. There's no orb credit spreads yet because we haven't had a 30-second orb break. But yeah, once we get a 30-second orb break on SPX, then we'll get our 30-minute. As you can see, this is the range for a 30-minute. We don't have anything breaking. So until we get that, then I'll kind of see what the uptrend is. Like, are we going to uptrend for the day or downtrend? So we don't know till we get that break of structure. All right, Palantir, or not Palantir. Tesla's kind of coming up here. I very rarely see this on Tesla, like a 30-minute touch and a 1 hour. I was pretty excited about it. I was like, dang, this is so awesome, right? We're getting a 30-minute touch on Tesla. Golly, Tesla. Tesla's just a very, 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 very volatile stock. Yeah, I would love a break of 333. I just don't think we're going to get it. We'll see. A break of 333 would be sick. If we come out here and break that 333, and then we're off to the races off of that. But we'll see. I could be spending my time on trading my favorite SOC. But if I get out of a stock, I got to look into what is the best setup. And right now it is Gap. It is forming a nice EMA 1 minute time distance. General Motors is getting there. AI, Shop, CZR, GME. Not like a lot of plays I'm seeing. The best play, That was definitely Palantir. Palantir takes the plays of the day for my system. Beautiful 1 minute touch bounces with the 5 minute bounce. Yeah, Palantir was a beast today. Even though it's down, it works for my system. Yeah, the OKOO. I mean, I was watching that one too. I mean, look at that one. I mean, everything but Tesla was just a dud today for me. OKOO, look at this massive bounce on that 5 minute with the 1 minute to a T. We had the EMA 20 TD on the 1 minute, so we know we for sure are going to come back to that 20. I mean, look at that monster move up. 3% gain in minutes. It was a beautiful trade. OKOO was amazing. So for the original strategy that I'm doing, I'm always entering at 25 cents. All right, 25 cents is my original strat. Now for the high premium, there's another strat I'm doing that where you get 1.5 premium above. So, but yeah, my original credit spread, you don't even look at strikes, 25-cent premium once you get a break of the 30-minute orb, which we might be getting one now. SPX 30-minute orb. Not quite. Not quite, but it's always the 25 cents you look for. Thank you so much for the follow, Exalted 817. I appreciate that. Thanks so much for coming in, guys. Much love. Here and there, I gotta refresh the data. Sometimes the screener doesn't add new tickers in if I don't refresh it. I'm actually surprised CrowdStrike recovered from their earnings like that. GTLS was a good play. Palantir, not too shabby. We're just seeing if we can break that 333 on Tesla. It seems to be a pretty hard resistance. Right there at 333. I think we can, but who knows with Tesla. See, he's coming back down again. Things on this. FLS, IONQ, Gap, SEG. Yes, nothing. Look at all that like consolidation there. Not really seeing anything. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything, guys. Very boring. Like, holy crap, it is actually kind of boring today. I thought today would be a lot more exciting. You guys see anything? Let me know. I'm not seeing anything. Oh yeah. Maybe I should add on to Bull. Look how Bull's been doing too. Like, you know, look at this. We touch the lowers and we go up for a bit. Not too shabby. I'm actually surprised, you know, Bull hasn't pumped big already. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days away from the EMA 5. I really feel like Bull's going to get a massive pump when you least expect it. I personally made the decision I want to have some investment in it because I know it's going to be the next Robinhood. Just like when SoFi was so low. Remember SoFi? Way back in the day. It took forever. It was stuck in a lump sum here at $4. And then it just finally goes. Sometimes, I hate to say it, but sometimes it takes about a year after the stock has IPO'd for it to really start moving up. Big time. Sadly, that's kind of how it is. Yeah, yeah, they got dilution, but I like the platform a whole lot better. I use their platform every day. I think they probably have one of the biggest user bases. Their platform is amazing. I like everything about what they do is awesome. Like, look at Thinkorswim chart. Look at the difference between this chart and this chart. Look how much more cleaner it is. This one I gotta like, I gotta zoom out, zoom in. I can't like grab the chart. Whereas Weevil, you can grab it, drag it, do this on the X and Y axis. You can add any indicators you want. It's all available there. Your lines you can draw. This is just not user friendly. Thinkorswim compared to Weevil, and I think a lot of people like user friendly. For professionals, a lot of people are gonna use, I feel like, Thinkorswim, but it's just, I mean, like, for a lot of beginner friendly people, you see how Robinhood, they made their platform user friendly, and that's how they got, a big user base too. I think user friendly is key. You need to have it. You need to have a user friendly platform. All right, so we're just kind of waiting this out. Like I said though, even if I get out of test, I don't see any plays I want to play right now. Yeah, I don't see anything. Sometimes you'll see a new ticker pull in. Hims is like maybe the one I would take if it comes down. But other than that, I don't see anything. We got Bath and Body Works down another 1%. Let's watch SPX, kind of see if we get above this line. Ugh. UNH, yeah, that's another strong company. Like, if you had the strength to hold this for me personally, I'm looking to fill this gap. I don't see why we can't come back into the almost $400 range and fill that gap. I have no doubt about we're going to fill that gap on UNH. No doubt. It's just a patience game. There's big money coming into UNH. I mean, look at the consolidation we're having here. Big money is accumulating before this goes up. Yeah, no doubt about that's what's going up. I think Tesla's going to hit this EMA 20 on the daily and shoot up too. There you see right here, we're in an uptrend. We hit the 20. You see how we shot up, right in here, made it 6% gain. This could be the big move we get on Tesla. So there's a lot of things I like on Tesla. It's just a really volatile company. Big time, big volatile company right here. He's just like, can you handle the volatility? That's the thing with Tesla. Not a lot of people can handle it. I don't even know if I can handle this. I'm getting kind of pissed about the volatility on Tesla. But, yeah, that's about it. It spelled my name. Alright, so we had this high here at 333. We're watching the high there. We need to break that high. If we can break it, that'd be nice. Yeah, it's just consolidating. Not doing anything right now for Tesla. We're in a range bound. Right in here, ranging bound. Man, that's crazy. Mullen's just going up and up. Wow. That's the thing with pennies is, like, they'll have these monster... I can't even look at the chart. I gotta zoom in so much. Like, is it going to hit the EMA 10 or something? Is it touching the 10? Yeah, it is touching the 10. Yeah, so you'll get these monster moves ups. It has the reverse split. And then bam. And then it will probably reject right here. A lot of retail traders will chase it. But it's a junk stock. I wouldn't chase that stock. If you didn't get in it, don't chase this one. That thing's halted to the upside. Oh, wow. It's crazy. It's actually halted. Man, you don't want to break 333, do you? Huh. Palantir's kind of doing the same thing. Probably hit the EMA 20 on Palantir. Coming up into that EMA 10, kind of seeing if we can break through it.
Gonna go explore the fire truck?
It takes them off.
You see it? So then you climb really high and save people from the fires. Okay.
I can just see that having a massive move, though, with all this consolidation up. I don't see why we can't get above 333.
Okay. Firefighter Blippi to the rescue. Oh, looks like we're on a call.
Yeah, I should have had my order here break even, and I could have got in on that div, 332.92. That would have been really nice if I had it right there. Break even. Would have got a massive. Would have been nice.
Ooh, and a breathing apparatus. Let's go inside.
So it looks like Tesla's trying to come up into that 20. It's trying.
Let's check out the inside where you drive the fire.
Right up in there, that 333.
Whoa, we're inside the fire truck now. Seat space back.
And then again, if I don't see anything, just being patient. Alright, let's see what it does there. You've got to break that high at 332.93. That's what we got to break.
These blocks are colorful.
I could just take it out here for just a minor loss. 332.90. Where's that at? I have 85 shares. I have a 332.89, so 332.90.
Do you want to know what it is?
Alright.
We are learning so much. And at this location, we're learning about all types of news. Wait, look at this. This is a giant camera. Yeah, a camcorder. It shoots
I'm just going to take it off if it gets there.
stand over here. And then the camera points at me.
I'm getting kind of tired of watching Tesla. And did I just miss it again? Right up in there, I'm just trying to take it off if it hits a double top and just get out of it. I should have did that the first time. So right up in here, you can kind of like look at your average and just get out break even if you want. Just not liking it. Too slow for me. I messed up on the trade. What are your 3 EMA settings? I have EMA 5, 10, 20, and 50. Yeah, so you can look at my EMAs. If price is above EMAs, it's bullish. If price is below EMAs, it's bearish. Like Palantir and Tesla are currently in the bearish state. For now. So you're looking at Tesla, you can see right here, hit the 5, kind of pulling back. Man, that just makes me sick to my stomach, though. We can't break that 333. It tested it. So I should have had my order break even here, and I would have put some more orders in right there. That really pisses me off. Not like I see any other trades I'm going to play, though. Any other trades I would play, I don't really see any. SPX, do we have a 30-minute orb? No. Pretty slow on SPX. No 30-minute orb.
Veterinarians take care of animals when they're sick. This little puppy right here, this is Roger. Stay there, Roger. I'm gonna go grab all my tools.
Watch it just break through this thing and go to 335. That would be insane. I'm just not seeing any other plays at the moment. I get out of this right now if I see a play. I don't see anything.
You see that white area? Those are his bones. They're his spine, right? Looks like all of his bones are dead. So let's go back to Roger.
You want egg?
Give him a
Or my little bacon? My little bacon?
He's so cute. Okay, Roger. What I'm gonna do is put this around your neck, okay? Hey, here you go. So this, make sure that Roger doesn't bite himself down here. Just like how you itch right here. Dogs like to bite themselves. But gently. Yeah. Now he can't go over there and hurt himself. Because what actually Roger's problem was, he had fleas. That's okay, Roger. It's all fixed up. Okay, Roger. Hey. See you soon. Good job.
I'm getting tired of watching this thing. Yeah, just get me out. I don't want to trade Tesla anymore. Alright, I'm out of Tesla. I'm done trading it. It'll probably go to 335, but who gives a rip? Just not liking it. It was just pissing me off.
The future you build for the ones you love.
See, we break this structure. It could be a double top here, but we'll just keep going up.
One is the
Yep. I'm so done with Tesla. Yeah, just honestly, for me personally, I messed up my entry. I should have got. I mean, Palantir was the way to go. Palantir hit the 20. Tesla was just garbage. It was garbage trade. I mean, yeah, I'll probably go up to 335 at the EMA 20 on the 5 minute. I just don't want to deal with it. I'll find another play and make my money.
This room is so cool. Game of chess and a spaceship.
Oh, you did crowd puts? Nice. Good job on your crowd puts. Yeah, my rule of thumb is if you're down more than what you wanted and you're just hating the play, break even is always the way to go. That's always my rule there. I'm going to tell the option plays. You want to get out my Tesla calls too here. Did anyone make money on Tesla calls? Man, freaking screwed that entry up big time. I think I got in. I think where I messed up is I started getting in here, thinking it was gonna go to that 20, and then it just went too far down on the 1 minute. Way too far down on the 1 minute. Just got wrecked here. You're still in Tesla. I'm taking everything out. Break even. I didn't like the... I totally missed the trade. I missed it. I mean, with this big move up, we should have made bank, but... I messed it up. I messed up the trade. Didn't lose money on it, but I didn't make money either. Palantir, I made money on this morning. Palantir was just easier. I took Palantir... I believe it was this setup here on this 1 minute. I took it right in here, dropped back down. I could have took it some more here, and yeah, Palantir was the best setup for today. Tesla, that thing's just garbage. I don't want it. The thing is so unpredictable. It's such a hard freaking company to trade. I had Tesla at, what did I have it at? I had it at 333, right? Yeah, 332.90. Just not into it. I mean, yeah, there it goes. It's going up. 335 like I predicted. I didn't want to chance the double top. Right here, we got a double top on the 5. I just didn't want to risk it. Oh, hey. OKO is not set up yet. It's just in consolidation mode. Man, look at Palantir go. Man, Palantir was the play today.
Eddie is the world's largest kid. He's 10 years old and he's 40 feet tall. Wow, that's really tall. Let's go explore Eddie.
I'm curious what's Bull doing.
You can see him. He's so big.
It's going up a bit. Yeah, it sucks because it actually wanted to hit that 20. I thought I was going to reject on that 10 again. Oh well. Can't predict the almighty Tesla. It's such a freaking hard stock to predict.
Here, Eddie is so big that I'm gonna go inside. But you go up there, and then you can see the door outside.
Yeah, I wanted to hit that EMA 20 on the 5. Who knows? I might get lured into Tesla tomorrow if it makes a massive move again. One of these days, I'm going to freaking make bank on Tesla, though. One of these days. This week is not the week I'm making bank yet. Yeah, the 30-minute orb's not doing anything. It's consolidating. It's doing nothing.
So, we work out right here in the cemetery. And now, we're here. What's right here that beats all the time?
Yeah, I'm kind of... Honestly, I probably caught the dead bottom on Palantir today. Yeah, you ever see like this kind of chart on a 15-minute on Palantir? You're just like gold. I mean, Tesla was more reactive to the downside. I was like, dang, I didn't think it would do that much to the downside. A lot of times, no joke, you get a touch like this, and it moves up. This was just a massive sell-off. And Tesla's been burning me, not just this day. This day was good. Tesla was good there. If you did just the 1 minute, you got burned. But this was a more big move to the downside on the 5 minute. You see how this, it touched and went up. This... Nope. it really burns you a bit there. So sometimes it be like that. Nothing's perfect in trading, you know. Sometimes it be's like that. Oh wait, I thought someone typed there. VLO. What's VLO? What's happening with VLO? VLO Energy. Guys, check out VLO. Has dividends on the hottest scanner right now is VLO. All right, let's see how much I can buy here. Let's see what 10 gives me. Let's do 20. $15-minute, 30-minute, 1-minute time distance. It's all there. It's all there. Not a big mover. Does it have good option chains? Let's see. Not an option play. I don't like it. The bid and ask is too high. So don't do options on it. Gap is coming down for us. VLO is definitely my prime suspect. I just need it to come down some. I might have missed it. Come on. 125 to 126. Man, look at that massive 1-minute candle, like, out of nowhere. Holy crap. We went from 128 to 126 in the blink of a second. We'll see what VLO gives us. I would love some gap. If gap comes down, I would love a gap trade. Hasn't touched the EMA 50 on the 1-minute. FLS, IQ, Dollar General, Dino. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything just yet. It's either Gap or VLO for me. Primal Brands. Remember we traded this, guys? Good old Primal Brands. A little slow mover, but it's coming to our settings. Southwest Airlines, Kroger, AT&T's coming down. We need to pick up something here. Let's see what VLO's doing. VLO. I missed that touchdown here. Just missed it. Verizon. Alright, so just waiting on VLO to make a move down here. We'll see. Hopefully it don't touch that EMA 20 and we kind of pull back for us. Just hold your Tesla and then you'll be sure to not miss the boat. Well, the thing is, if I hold, I'm just trying to scout, you know, and make fast money in, out, you know. Because, you know, Tesla's down 4%. What if it goes down another 4%, you know, the next day, you know? Just never know. I'd rather be... I don't like swing trading right now in this market. PO. But Palantir was such a beast. Good God. Good job whoever got Palantir. Just remember, if you trade Tesla, it's just risk. It's definitely a riskier stock. Very risky stock. Not really a big fan of Tesla, to be honest. Gap. WTRG. Yeah, it's General Motors is kind of looking good. VLO, we'll see if we can get a move down. Not sure if we will.
Yummy food. Put it right in there. Okay, now let's go back to the restaurant. Oh, wait a second. We need.
Alright, let's see what we got. I haven't seen any credit or break. I mean, look at this. Everything's just in the middle. There's no play to take today on credit spreads. So we have till 1 o'clock. If we don't get a play till 1, then no play today for me on credit spreads. Just not doing anything. I mean, look at this consolidation in here.
How did you hear that, Miss Allison?
Yeah, that's so cool. They're all spinning around right there. Then it goes through these two. Then it goes down these milk storage. Wow, this is so cool. It's bottled up and then it goes to the grocery store. Yeah. Whoa, I'm so cold. Look, it's winter here, and there's so much snow. Look over here. Whoa! Hey, that's a polar bear. Polar bears live when there's tons of snow. Whoa! Check this out. This is a mountain. Whoa! Mountain. You can sled down it. Whoa! Thank you.
Big game.
So nice for sharing. Hey, here
All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. Does that count as a touch? That's the question. Does that count as a touch?
Yes.
we are going to be Team Green.
All right, let's see what this does. We get a touch here. I'm going to load the boat. I don't know. Well, either way, we haven't touched the 50. Keep that in mind. We haven't touched the EMA 50. I did count as a touch there. That did. I'm just going to kind of see what we do. Do we get a big touchdown? It did count as a touch. Barely. Hit the 20 and barely went down. So I'm going to see if we get some TD. Maybe a lower Keltner touch. I'm not sure. Because sometimes you can see how it kind of widens it out. We'll see what this gives us. We are getting that 5-minute touch to a T. We are getting that 5-minute right there. Haven't touched the 50. Keep that in mind on the 1 minute. We got a 15, a 30 minute. We have all the time frames I like on VLO. All the time frames I like about it. Man, look at Tesla go. Hit that 3. That hit that EMA 20 on the 5. Predictable, huh? What happened to Dino? What's going on, Dino? Dino, what are you doing? What are you doing, Dino? Interesting. Ah, man, it went up pretty big. Okay, what is this company? This one looks nice. Okay is oil and gas. This one doesn't touch the 20 yet. That's an $81 company. There's a lot of oil and gas is coming down. This has dividends. Do we have a 15-minute? No, we don't have the 15 or 30. But we do have a nice 1 minute we can play. PRMB's coming down. Overextended to the downside. Very nice company here. Don't expect big games on it, though. CNQ, what is that? What is that? It's all oil and gas today. That's coming down drastically. BP, another oil and gas, I bet. Another oil and gas? Yep, BP. Yo, thanks for the follow, Hot X. Yeah, I saw them all, and it's insanely up. Yeah, it's freaking crazy. Yeah, it's just a bunch of oil and gas companies I see. I don't like the Canada. I don't want to try to Canada. Looks like VLO is kind of the best. Oh, we got company over. All right, guys, I'm gonna see you guys in another stream. I'll let you guys know what I decide to trade, but pretty boring right now. Okay, like and subscribe. I'll let you guys know what I do in my credit spreads. Make sure you subscribe on my Twitch for free ads.